the thought of the eternal recurrence, which is one of the major issues that people have had real trouble understanding. Usually it was interpreted, partly because of the way he wrote, as the view that the world repeats its history an infinite number of times in exactly the same way. The Stoics in ancient philosophy thought something like that. But it's an absurd view. It doesn't work. There are no arguments that can show it, especially since every previous cycle is completely unknown to us, because everything that happens in this cycle supposedly happened before and will happen again. So I can't tell you, oh yeah, there was another cycle and I remember it, because if I remember it, I differentiate it from the previous cycle where I didn't remember it. So they have to be absolutely the same. That's a silly view in a way.